Welcome to Grove Mathematical Skills School. In this school, you will be learning skills like long division, column multiplication, and tricks for geometry, algebra, and many other topics. When we're doing long division like this, we have our FMSC. Now I would like everyone to write this down in their notebook right now. F means find how many, M means multiply, S means subtract, and C means carry down. I will explain what those steps mean and what they look like in just a moment. We start off with F, find how many. This is our divisor. This is our dividend. We say how many times can our divisor go into the first part of our dividend. How many times does 6 fit inside 4? And our answer is 0. Because the first part was a 0, we then say how many times does 6 fit inside 42? So we're still finding out how many. 6 goes into 42 7 times. The next step, now that we're done with the first step, we did the find. We found out how many. Our next step is to multiply. We take the answer we just came up with and we multiply it by the divisor, and we get our answer and we put it right here. So we take 7 times 6, and that equals 42. So we check off that we finished that section of the multiply. Our next section is subtract. We subtract 42 minus 42, and our answer is 0. We check off that we finished the subtract. The last step before we repeat it is the carry down. To carry down, we take whatever it is. In this case, it's a 6. Woo, that did not look good. In this case, it's a 6. Okay, don't know why it's doing that, so I'm just going to do my own arrow. It's a 6, and we are going to carry it down all the way to right there. So check, we finished that. Now that we're done with this, we did this entire group of 4 things once. We go back and we start all the way over at the top. So now we are finding out how many 6's go into 6. How many 6's go into 6? Well, that's pretty simple. 1. Check. We did find how many. We multiply 1. We multiply 1 times 6, and we put our answer here. 1 times 6 is 6. Check. We multiplied. Now if you notice, right up here, I put check marks every time I do something. That you only have to do in the beginning until you get very good at this. My next step is to subtract. I'm going to subtract 6 minus 6. So I take 6 from 6, and that is a very simple answer for our students. We get 0. Check. Now, we are at the carry down part. We're here. Is there anything to carry down? There is not. So what we do, instead of carrying down, we carry up. Now, you'll see that we have a 0, so that means we have 0 remainder. If we had a remainder here, if we had something left, we would carry that up, or carry it up on this side, and we would say 71 remainder, whatever. Because we do not have that, we just say our answer is 71. So if we were going to rewrite the problem, and I'm going to shrink all this down, we were going to rewrite the problem. Actually, I'm going to back that up. But if we were just going to write our answer, it would look like this. 426 divided by 6 equals 71. And that is our answer.